Are you still single? When are you planning on dating again? Blah 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 blah. Hey dolls, welcome back to today's tutorial. No, not tutorial. Welcome back to today's video. If you guys are new, welcome. I'm your girl Yasheka. This video we're doing a quick little Q&A. Like I posted this Q&A on my Instagram a couple weeks or about 2 weeks ago, and you guys sent me some questions. It's not a lot, it's about 10 questions, so I'm going to answer you guys questions in today's video. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So if you want a tutorial on this look, let me know down in the comment section. So comment down below and say tutorial. If I don't get any comment, I'm not going to refilm the video. Simple as that. So the first question, if you guys are hearing the fan in the background, I am sorry. In your hot, I have like 3 lights on me in your hot. So yeah, the first video is why do you enjoy doing makeup? So why do I enjoy doing makeup? Reason being, like, I've always been an artsy kind of girl. I've always loved the arts. I always love colors. I've always liked seeing people in makeup, if you understand what I mean. So when I finally learned how to do makeup, it was like I just fell in love with the the artistry side of it. So to sum it all up, I've always liked colors. I've always liked dibble and dabble in colors. I'm an artistic person. I've always loved to see others in makeup, and when I actually learned how to do makeup, it was like, girl, nobody could stop me, nobody could hold me again, because yeah, we can't do the makeup now. So yeah, I think that should answer the question. So the follow-up question to that is, what inspired you to start doing makeup? So piggybacking off of my first answer, I've always loved to see others in makeup, and I've always wanted to learn how to do makeup, because during high school I would just wear like, what do you call it? I would just wear like mascara and eyeliner, you know. That was like my always in eyeliner and mascara, just to accentuate my eyes. Like that was it. But I love so when people get glam and all of that stuff out. That, because I love seeing it, that kind of really pushed me to like learn it for myself. So yeah, that's what really inspired me to start doing makeup, because I loved it looked on others, and I wanted to learn how to do it, and I did learn how to do it, and today I am teaching you guys how to do it. So yeah, so the most of these questions are makeup related, while some are personal. So the next question is, are you still freelancing? Yes, I'm still freelancing. I do have my regular clients that come in here and there, but just sometimes I have a very very busy and chaotic schedule. So sometimes I'll do a client's face and forgot for post it. Sometimes I don't even take a snap. Sometimes the clients will send me snaps, because like they go to an event and they send me back snaps and whatever, and but I said sure. Sometimes they send me some snaps and it doesn't really show my work. Like, you know, when you have on the filter, it don't really show the makeup like that. So sometimes I'll change the makeup. So sometimes I don't even bother to post it. So I do freelance. If you're interested in booking me, my Instagram is on the screen. You can DM me. My email is in my description box. You can shoot me an email. And my WhatsApp number is on my Instagram. So if you go on the Instagram, you'll see all my contact information. So yeah, I still do freelance. So This is another question I wasn't going to answer, but I say, you know what? I'm gonna just answer it. You're not gonna kill me for answer. So the question is, you don't seem to be successful as anyway. It's not a question, it's an assumption, and success is different for everyone. Everybody prioritize certain things differently. As I said, I need to work more on my social media. For somebody who is a wannabe influencer, I need to work on my social media in a sense where I need to be more consistent with posting my clients, and I need to strategize to grow that Instagram account. So basically, success is measured differently by everyone. I have surpassed certain goals that I've set for myself and my business, and the next question is, why don't you do something else other than makeup? So I do other things differently from makeup. Y'all just know, some of you guys just know me from makeup. Like, I have different online businesses. I have my blog channel where I do lifestyle. I'll link it. I'll put the channel. I put the name of the channel here. I'll link it in my description box. Like, I do other businesses than makeup, and I've interest in other things other than makeup. Probably your question is relating to YouTube, probably like this YouTube channel. I intend to, but my engagement over here are really low. So I mean, I just I might do it and then I see how you guys react, and then we don't know what could possibly go on from there. So I might. You just gave me an idea. I will, not I will. So this person sent, you seem chill, let me get to know you. How do you want to get to know me though? But anyways, next question. I think it's not a question, it's a statement. I think you're underrated. Like, I don't want to put a title on myself. I don't want to put anything on myself. I don't want to say anything that's bad about myself and put it out there in the atmosphere. But when God ready for show you up, He might go show you up. So I'm just being humbled. I'm being grateful, and like when my time comes to go viral, I'll go viral. But for right now, I do not care for it. So, as long as I say, me and make me look at money. I mean, there's always room to make more, but for right now, I just sit and wait. I don't mind being the underdog. Then, what are your goals? This young lady asks, what are your goals? And I want to assume YouTube wise and social media wise. YouTube wise, I want to grow this channel. Both of my channels, I want to monetize this channel. As I said earlier, my schedule is chaotic. Like, I'm always on the go. Because as I said, I have multiple online businesses, so I'm always on the go, and it's just me one. It's literally me one. So let us say my goals for social media is trying to be more strategic, trying to be more consistent, try to give more quality videos, try to give more informative and educating videos, just to more being myself, being transparent, being authentic with you guys as I've always been. And I just want this channel to be like literally everything beauty, fashion, like Probably you guys don't know because I don't really post on my personal Instagram, but I love fashion. I'm not going to say I'm a fashionista, but I love fashion. I know how to dress to make certain things work for my body type. But we know how to do certain things. Side note, I'm a certified cosmetologist, so I can do hair, but I'm not interested in doing hair over here. But I mean, if the opportunity comes, like I'll jump on it. So let's just see what I have up my sleeve. Let's just see what's in store for me for this year. But for my goals, as I said, just to be more consistent and strategic with how I post my content. Yeah. The next question is so this is where it gets personal. Like, I'm going to give you the question. I'm going to read the questions 2 in 1. I think these are the last 2 questions. So the first one is why do you hate men? I don't hate men, not anymore. At least I've grown out of my hate men era. Like, I've posted a video about it on this channel, but I deleted. Did I delete it, or I just made it private because I was getting a lot of attention based off that video, and that's not what this channel is about. So I don't want people to know me for that particular video. I want people to know me for my makeup skills, my makeup expertise, and yeah, I didn't want people to know me for that. So my hate men era, it has ended, it has died down. Yeah. But for the number 1 question, like about 5 people asked me the same question. Are you still single? When are you planning on dating again? Blah 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 blah. Why wanna leave me alone? Why wanna bully me to start dates? Like, why whenever somebody a female post a Q&A, like, you doesn't have a public relationship on social media, she posts a Q&A, the first thing, oh, are you single, are you single, are you single? Yeah, but to answer the question and to close out today's video, I am not married, so I guess I'm single. But technically I am dating, and that's where it is. Like, that part of me don't need to come over here. Like, ain't no need to come over here. So, but that's the finale of the questions. But yeah, that's the finale of the questions. I've answered all of your questions, honestly. And this is not really that long of a video, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, let me know down in the comment section. Like the video if you like the video, share the video if you enjoyed the video, tell a friend for subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. As I said, if you guys want to see this look, this masterpiece here, just comment down below you need a tutorial on the smoky eye, and I'll give you a tutorial on the smoky eye. Anyways, I am hungry. I need to go and get some food. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next upload, and until then, go and make up on yourself and continue to be simply amazing.